Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the next big thing in AI, the brand new Google Gemini 2.5 Pro. This isn't an incremental update, it's a leap forward, promising to redefine what's possible with AI. So, buckle up because we are about to explore its incredible features, potential, and why it might just be a game changer. So if you can see here, that's the developers page on about 2.5 Pro. It's claiming bold on Web Dev Arena leaderboard. If you can see, 2.5 is on top for Web Dev. So that's you can see, and it's surpassing Cloud 3.7 zone. And we'll see some examples around this video. And if you check on this Google Gemini app, X page, you can see some examples people are posting and they're creating some games on the dog based on the image uploaded. There is a financial hub someone created, and that's science, physical simulation of astronomy. And that is another game. If you can see, someone have just created a complete book recommendation app from his bookshelf picture. Things are just going wild since it's been released. So let's check it out. 2.5 Pro can be accessed from Google AI Studio, which is here. If you can see here, this is the May version of it, 0506. That's the May preview. So that's what now we are talking about, not on this one. That's the April one. So that's one way to access it. And the next way is to go to Gemini and choose it from 2.5 Pro Experimental. So now, if you check the LM Arena leaderboard, again you can see here 2.45 preview is on the top. So it's clearly on the lead, but let's see how good it is on the actual testing out. Okay, let's give a YouTube video. This is about a bird just building the nest. The prompt, this is my prompt. Describe the step-by-step process the bird is using to build its nest, listing all different materials it uses and how it manipulates them. Let's see if this can understand the video content, the image, the audio, the video, as it is a multimodal. Let's see what it gives out. And you can see that it's using 53,000 tokens, and this is one benefit of when you use it on AI Studio, where you can see how much token it used. You can control the temperature, structural output, code execution, function calling, grounding with Google search as well, and got some advanced search, like if you stick with the basics. Now if you can see here, the material used is explained: dry grasses straw, dry finer coarse, possibly a few very small tiny twigs, a stray feather, step by step process. So it doesn't just see objects, it understands actions and relationships in complex visuals. That's pretty impressive. Okay, let's move on to something else little different. Okay, let's ask 2.5 Pro. Let's the canvas. Let's start with just a simple. They say it code good. It didn't ask me any further questions. It's just build me a CRM. That's it. That's the prompt. Still getting the code. Did go through. So let's takes a bit of time. That's a lot of code. That's passing thousand lines of code. I still remember 1 year before when I was trying to do some coding when it reaches like around 200 lines, it was struggling. That was AI before 1 year. Now look at it. Wow, that's looking really good. It. The previous versions, the UI was not this great. I like the UI, the colors, the space, the fonts, the icons. It's all really looking good. I like it. That, that is actually working. That's the dark, that's the light. So that is the coding power improvements. What you could see. So I got to try something else now. Let's try to create a little game and see how good it is. Okay. That's the prompt to create a small runner game. I am from South India, so I'm just being cheeky here, adding some character in a traditional South Indian way to spring through the vibrant village, dodge coconuts and banana carts. Let's see what it comes up with. I am not expecting this to be 100%, but let's see. The code is still started generating. The speed is really good on this 2.5 Pro preview. That's impressive. That's very fast than what I was seeing before. I'm excited to see what it's going to throw. It's little pretty tough task I gave on little details on the graphics. Let's see. Look at that. Delete the existing code in sketch.js tab. Paste all the code above in the sketch. Play button. Okay, let's go. I was having some code. All of it. Let's paste this. Hit play. That's Veshti Runner. Paste to start. Okay, the game started. The score, high score. Press R to restart. Okay, I don't know how to play that. That's the coconut. Could see. Okay, this is guy. Okay. Oh, I know that. Now I know that. I like it. That guy who stands here, this is the guy with the vesti, and that's coconut. That's funny. I'm impressed. I like it. I like this game. I'm going to play. See, that's the hit. Okay. Ding, ding. Fun support. Okay, now what we do, the next action, we'll try to go back to the chat. I'm going to give a YouTube video. This is about what is SCADA. Okay, now going to ask, okay, based on content, this YouTube video, let me app to learn these concepts in an track. Hey, just let's keep it simple. Let's hit run and see what happens. I'm mentioning about what language, technology, frameworks. Let's see. Basically, I would like to have just an HTML. Let's see what it comes up with. It started giving up the details of the app. Now it transcribes the video, actually, what exactly is on the video. Give me HTML code for interactive app to learn concepts on video. Model is thinking, but that is a lot of code. Just going to copy this code, run it on cut. That's the content on the video. Click a letter above to see what it supervisory, control, and data acquisition. So that's what SCADA is. It's a system of software and hardware components allowing the organizations to control industrial process, monitor, interact, record events of. Okay, the components. Tap on the components and diagram below. See diagram looks like it's invisible. Vector, nothing. How it works, conceptual simulation, basic tank like control sensors, PLCs, start pump, that pump turned on. That is a simulation actually. It's simulating and collecting the logs. That is pretty impressive. That's really good. That makes the learner's life easy. Stopping the pump off. Look at that. It's running. Stop pump, it's switching off. Okay, SCADA system has evolved significantly over the decades, and that pre-SCADA, like 50 history, and the quiz. That's really good. I like that one. So, looking at these, what I come to know is what are my initial thoughts on Gemini 2.5 Pro? I'm genuinely impressed. The leap in multimodal understanding and the expanded context window are particularly exciting. It feels like we are moving closer to a truly intelligent AI assistant. What do you think about Gemini 2.5 Pro? What applications are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth exploration of latest tech innovations. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.